Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll be doing now common size balance sheet. When we don't have horizontal balance sheet in the question, we are required to use details given in the question to prepare common size balance sheet. Let us see how to do that. We'll go through the question. Prepare common size balance sheet of Messrs. Ram Limited in vertical form suitable for analysis from the following information. Land and building, fixed assets. Plant and machinery, fixed assets. Equity capital, share capital. It will be part of shareholders fund. Preference capital will be part of share capital. Stock, current asset. Debtors, current asset. Cash and bank balance, current asset. Cash and bank balance, current asset. Miscellaneous current asset, current assets. Profit and loss account, credit balance. It will be part of reserve fund. General reserve, reserve fund. Sundry creditors, current liability. Bills payable, current liability. Miscellaneous current liabilities, current liabilities. Debentures, borrowed funds or loan funds. First part of balance sheet, sources of funds. There we'll have first shareholders fund. In shareholders fund, first we'll have share capital. In share capital we have equity share capital 5 lakhs. Preference share capital we have rupees 2 lakhs. Equity 5 lakhs, preference 2 lakhs, total amount of capital 7 lakhs. To this we'll be adding reserves and surplus. General reserve 1 lakh, profit and loss account credit balance 2 lakhs. Total reserves 3 lakhs. Share capital 7 lakhs plus reserves and surplus 3 lakhs. Total will be 10 lakhs. To this we are required to add borrowed funds. We have debentures in borrowed funds rupees 4 lakhs. Thus total capital employed we have shareholders fund plus borrowed funds, total amount is 14 lakhs. We have completed first part of the balance sheet. Let us proceed for the second part, that is application of funds. In application of funds, first we have fixed assets. Land and building 6 lakhs. Plant and machinery 5 lakhs. Total fixed assets 11 lakhs. In this problem there are no long-term investments. So next item will be working capital. In working capital, first we have current assets, stock, debtors, cash and bank balance, miscellaneous current assets. Total current assets we have 5 lakhs. From this we are required to deduct current liabilities. Sundry creditors, bills payable, miscellaneous current liabilities. Total current liabilities 2 lakhs. We can find out working capital, that is current asset minus current liabilities. Total current asset 5 lakhs minus total current liabilities 2 lakhs. So it is working capital we have 3 lakhs. Fixed assets 11 lakhs. Working capital 3 lakhs. Finally we have total assets 11 plus 3 14 lakhs. We have completed balance sheet. For preparation of common size statement, these total assets will be taken equal to 100. Total capital employed is 14 lakhs. This amount will be taken equal to 100. All the values in balance sheet will be converted based on this total figure. All the values in balance sheet will be taking based on all the values in balance sheet will be now converted taking base of these total assets, that is total capital employed, which is taken equal to 100. The formula is very simple. For example, equity we have 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs, that is total funds, multiplied by 100. 35.71%. Preference 2 lakhs, again divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100. It is 14.29%. Total share capital 7 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100. it is 50%. Reserves and surplus, general reserve 1 lakh divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 7.14%. Profit and loss account 2 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 14.29%. Total reserves 3 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 21.43%. Next we have debentures, that is 4 lakhs, and shareholders funds 10 lakhs. So shareholders fund 10 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, and debenture 4 lakh divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100. Shareholders fund 71.43%. Debentures 28.57%. We have completed first part of the balance sheet. Let us move to the second part. Application of funds, fixed assets, land and building 6 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 42.86%. Plant and machinery 5 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 35.71%. Total fixed assets 11 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 78.57%. Working capital, we have stock 2,40,000. 2,40,000 divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 17.14%. Debtors 2 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 14.29%. Cash bank 55,000 divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 3.93%. Miscellaneous current assets 5,000 divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 0.36%. Total current asset 5 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 35.71%. Sundry creditors 80,000 divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 5.71%. Bills payable 60,000 divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 4.29%. Miscellaneous current liabilities 60,000. So again it will be 4.29%. Total current liabilities 2 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 14.29%. Net working capital 3 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs multiplied by 100, 21.43%. Thus we have prepared common sense balance sheet with the help of details given in the question, that is horizontal balance sheet was not given in the question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.